Hello friends, today we have Vivek Yadav, who is a tech lead at Tata Digitech. So hello sir, please introduce.
Yeah, so I'm Vivek Yadav. I work as tech lead at Tata Digital. I mostly work on app core things, so basically making application better for everyone.
Okay, so can you give a short roadmap for our students who want to be as a application developer?
Yeah, I'll make it. I'll divide it into different phases. The first phase is software developer. You have to become a software developer. You have to learn basics of software or basics of coding, basically. And apart from that, after that, you have to learn how to solve problems. That's where DSA can, play a good role. Because if you solve DSA, you're actually solving a problem. And after that, application development will come into play. So for Flutter, you have to work on Dart. Uh, and then Flutter is a framework built over Dart language. If you want to work on Flutter, you should know Dart. So you can spend some time on learning Dart from basics to advanced, and after that, you can go and spend some time on Flutter. And if you ask me how much time it will take to become intermediate or beginner to intermediate, so it is around 3 to 4 months if you know little bit of programming. But let's say that you don't know everything, you're just starting on, then it will go up to 6 to 7 months. But yeah, 6 to 7 months of continue learning. You don't have to break anything. And
Okay,
if you want
and
to become expert, take around 1 year.
okay, so like talking about programming, sir, like which language should we learn in this like upcoming new languages like Python, JavaScript, DSA? What?
Again, this is very subjective thing, because if you want to go for AI ML thing, then I think it is about Python, and I guess Ruby as well. But if you want to stick to mobile development, then yes, Flutter is a good choice. And for Flutter, you have to learn Dart and then Flutter framework. And along with that, if you ever think that you want to work on native, okay, native basically Android or iOS directly. So for iOS it is Swift, and for Android it is Kotlin.
Okay, and do mobile app developers need DSA? Like they
Yes,
expect?
yes, they need DSA because mobile is very small thing, right? It's not like a server where you have huge RAM or huge space. You have very little memory. You have very little space. And if you know DSA very well, you can use algorithms very efficiently. You will solve problems at scale. Because see, if you're building small applications, if you're solving small problems, DSA won't make any sense there. But if you're working at large scale companies, for example, Tata Digital, so we want to be, at least good with algorithms, or if you're working with the Tide, which is a banking application. So there you should know, algorithms, you should know DSA, so that you can apply there, and you can make sure that nothing is leaking, for example, memory, and you're not taking too much space loading, and your application is scaling.
Okay, sir. And like, what you think like is mobile application developers are paid high or like what's the pay scale of the mobile application developers?
Again, this is very subjective. I'll give you a scenario. So this payment or salary is uh, is, is something which is not directly related to you. It is directly related to the company. For example, if you're starting up your company, which is very small, very own startup, your bootstrapping is that startup from your own money, right? So in that case, you won't be able to pay everyone very handsome money. You will be pay, you'll ask someone, okay, you will be, interested in working with me for 10K or 20K. So it depends on company. And for
Like
example,
what we can expect as an average, like average salary.
so average go with the experience. Okay, I would say don't settle for less. So for example, interns at least go for 10K, at least 10K. As a beginner, at least go for 20K, 30K. As an expert, it is never ending thing. So if you're working for
What
some big
about a
companies,
full
you can
time
go.
and full time, like full time, what we can expect? Like
So full-time beginner, at least go for 20K. As an intermediate, at least go for 30K, 50K. And as an expert, who have 5 to 6 years of experience, at least go for 1 lakh. But again, it depends on company, it depends on location. For example, in Ahmedabad, you won't get paid that much. But if you go into Bangalore, you will get paid better than that. And if you go to San Francisco, you will get more paid than Bangalore itself.